Welcome back to Precision Trader University. Once again, I want to show you how you could have used BOOKMAP today to turn the stock market into your own personal ATM machine. So with that said, we took advantage of DG today. So let's see how we went about doing that. Now, first and foremost, I know I always start on BOOKMAP, but in reality, BOOKMAP is not how you find the plays. How you find the plays, let me flip over to my browser here. The way that you find the plays is on your scanner. All right, so this is the stepping stone. So this is your process. I want to take you through the process here. So first and foremost, you got to get your scanner pulled up. A lot of times, so on TradingView, it's like I said, all you're going to do down here is you're going to hit the stock screener. Bam, it's going to pull it up. I'm going to put full screen. You're going to put your filters in, your columns in. This is all you want from a collars. Oops, sorry that I haven't adjusted this one on this screen. So I'm going to show you how the fresh setup here. You're going to take all this junk off. You don't need all of this, okay? The only thing you want on this screen is the price, and then you're going to add, oh my God, if I can get the H in there. All right, so you want change from the open percent, change from the open dollar amount, and you want a float, okay? All right, now, once you got that on there, you're going to pull it, we're going to pull it back up. We're going to change over to the dollar increments. Okay, so we're going to look at the dollar change from the open first and foremost. Okay, so we see that Dollar General comes up in our top 10. Okay, so whenever we see Dollar General, so look at Dollar General. So what are we going to look for now? All right, we're going to look at the stock, make sure. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Is it breaking out? Is it breaking out all-time highs, anything like that? Is it around major moving averages from the daily, weekly, and the monthly? Get an idea of that. And then the big one here also is, what is the ATR? So we're going to look back, see if it's earnings. Okay, so we just had earnings several days ago. All right, so we're not looking for earnings ATR. All right, so we're looking back at the average. So we can look here at the year. We've averaged around $5, a $5 ATR. So we know that when Dollar General moves around $5 on the day, it's going to start running out of gas. So $4 to $5 is where, on average, it's going to start maxing out and where people are going to start looking to take profit. All right, so with that knowledge in mind, we're going to bring that back over to BOOKMAP. All right, also too, as far as where we entered the play, for example, again, I like to show you examples where we entered, made money off of this stuff. Let me show you here on our Discord. So took advantage of dollar, sent it out this morning. We were shorting, buying shorts, puts. 250 to 251 was our entry range. So, and of course we have our take profits, there as well. Okay, so final take profit was mentioned was 247s. So anyway, so that was us actually playing it in real time. Now let's go over to the chart, get our analysis of what was going on here. All right, so Dollar General starts the day at 245. Right, so you know that there is $5 ATR run potential. Okay, very much so. Now, with that said, where is the major liquidity? So as soon as you identify something in the scanner, you see the ATR. Now you come to BOOKMAP. Now you're looking, okay, where's my major liquidity at? And of course, we know we're looking at that from the $5 increments. So we're going to zoom in the $5 increments. Where is it sitting at? Well, it's pretty clear. 250. 250 is the only, unless you get some kind of insane earnings type ATR, it's not getting to 230. It's not getting to 265 today. The only reasonable place it's getting is 250. So with that said, one, you can play into 250. All right. Now, again, if I'd have been really watching and looking and scanning, yeah, I could have absolutely seen it and started playing into 250. But for me, hey, I love the highest probabilities, and with our strategies, our SML strategy, which we took advantage of here, I mean, it's a 99% win rate. So I don't, I prefer just to set the alerts, identify this stuff, set the alerts, let it get there, and then make the highest probability. But at the same time, you want to play into it as well. More power to you, especially when there's no major liquidity below. Couldn't have blamed anybody whatsoever. So a few things to keep in mind with this was you had really nice liquidity coming in at 258. All right, so with that said, they pulled back on that. All right, so they pulled back on that around $1. Yeah, around $1, and then they push back up, and now they absorb it. Okay, so this is how the process works. Okay, when you push back up, you have to absorb the liquidity. Okay, all those orders are filled. Now you have to start getting support on that area. So they pull back, support, nice ignition candle, pull back even some more support. What does that tell you? That's it. I mean, they're heading to the next major level. In this case, it was 250. So they finally get up there to 250. We are absolutely sitting there waiting on it. And when it gets there, we absolutely start taking advantage of it. Get a quick dump back into 249, take some off, 248, take some more off. And I told ones if they want to, if they wanted to hold a runner, 247s, 246s, 246s, that would be, yeah, couldn't blame it there. So anyway, it gets back into the 247s. But yeah, it's just another example, just some beautiful, beautiful money to be had. So it's not, this was the only one that we played today. Yeah, it was just beautiful, beautiful probability. So anyway, so we love the free money. And we don't need to, even though we could have absolutely played 3, 4, 5 plays today, a lot of times we're looking for, we get especially in a market environment like we have right now, 1 to 2 a day. Yeah, we're totally content with that. We've had many days where we'll be at 4, 5, over this past year. But no, we'll take 1 or 2 and take our money and go to the next day. So anyway, hope this helped you out, and appreciate you watching the video.